Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to capitalize each word in Excel spreadsheet. Capitalizing each word in Excel enhances readability and ensures consistency, especially for names, titles and headings. So let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Excel worksheet. Here we have our data. In column A, we have a list of names that are not properly capitalized. To capitalize each word, we will use a function called proper. This function capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string. So click on the cell where you want the capitalized text to appear. Let's use cell B2 for this example. Now type the formula is equal to proper bracket. Click on the cell containing the text. It's A2. Then close the bracket and hit enter. You can see that the text in A2 is now properly capitalized in B2. Simply click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula and drag it down to apply the formula to the rest of the cells. So all the data is now properly capitalized. If you want to replace the original text with the capitalized version, then you can copy the cells in column B. So select the cells and right click on it and click on copy. Now right click on the first cell in the column A, in our case it's A2, and select paste special. Here select values and click OK. This will replace the original text with the capitalized text without the formula. Now you can delete the column B. So that's how to capitalize each word in Excel. Thanks for watching.